Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sat Sri Akal, Namaste. Good afternoon to all of my viewers, all of my students who are watching every Sunday at 1 o'clock this free for all mathematics class. I apologize last week. I had some challenges and I'm sure that by today that everybody is able to listen to the audio and this week I'm not messed up with the audio. Hopefully audio is better and I can see that signs on my screen are showing that audio is going well. If anyone noticed that there is any issue with the audio again, please do not hesitate and inform me by messaging on this Facebook live, where I can see that if there's any message that will help me in making sure that this audio is going well. Today topic I'm going to repeat from the last week so that all those students who are not able to get this because of the audio issue. The topic I had was converting a standard form of equation to a slope y-intercept form or vice versa. Another way, from y-intercept to a standard or standard to y-intercept form. As you can see on the screen, this first line is showing you the standard form of a line, equation of a line, which is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. And the slope y-intercept form is y is equal to mx plus c. So I will show you today with some examples how we can interchange within these two. If we are given standard form, we can convert them to a y-intercept form. On the other side, if we are given as a y-intercept form, we can easily change them to this standard form. So by using some examples, I can explain you, or without even examples, let me just show you an easy way. For example, if we are giving the standard form, the way we are going to convert into y-intercept form is like this. So I am going to write down ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. I'm going to move c on the other side and ax on the other side. So remember the basic algebraic rules. When we move something from one side to the other side, the signs get changed. So if I left with here by, I'm moving this will become minus a x minus c, and now I am going to divide the whole equation with b, then I'll become y minus a over b x minus c over b, or I can write a minus sign outside and I can say a over bx and then this minus c over b. So that is now a y-intercept form. So this is how we change. So when I will use a clear example, then it will make sure, more easier for you to understand. So let's do an example right here to make sure that everybody understand how this actually get changed. So if we are given an example, and I'm going to use this example for this standard form to y-intercept form. The standard form equation given, for example, is that's 3x plus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. So 3x plus 5y plus 15 is equal to 0. I'm going to change it to y-intercept form. So how I'm going to change, I'm going to move first 15 on the other side plus 5y is equal to minus 15 because I moved 15 from the left to the right side. Then it will be 3x. I'm going to move now 3x as well. So 3x will be on the other side. So I'm left with 5y is equal to minus 3x minus 15. And then I divide the whole equation with 5. So I will left with y is equal to minus 3 over 5x minus 15 over 5. And this is how I can cross this. It will be 3. So either way I can write on minus 3 over 5x minus 3, and here it will be y. So this could be now easily compare with this one. This is now is equal to y is equal to mx plus c format, where m is minus 3 by 5 and our c is actually minus 3. So that's how we interchange from our standard form to slope y-intercept form. And then I'm going to show you right now, if we are given in Y-intercept form, how we can transform that Y-intercept form to a standard form by using another example. So I hope everybody understand a simple calculation, standard form, we replace into a Y-intercept form. And as I was circling this is my value of M, and that's my value of C. So easily converted into a Y-intercept form. So let's do a Y-intercept form convert to a regular standard form. So the standard form, let's use another example. Uh, I'm given a Y-intercept form like this. Y is equal to 4 over 5x minus 7. So in this case, as you can see, I'm given Y-intercept form. So now I'm going to change this Y-intercept form to standard form. First I'm going to do is multiply with 5 so I can get rid of this 5. So I will get 5 multiplied by 5 by this 4 over 5 into 5 x and minus 7 into 5. So this will become, sorry, this 5y. So I got 5y, then I got this cancel the 4x minus 35. Now I'm going to move these both on the other side. So I'll be getting minus 4x plus 5y minus, sorry, plus 35 is equal to 0. Or just for the sake of changing this to a positive, if I multiply with 5, or in this position I might can move 5 on this side, so my x is the coefficient of x is positive. Either way is okay. I can change it to 4x minus 5y minus 35 is equal to 0. So that's changed into my standard form. So this is how from Y-intercept I converted this to a standard form. So now I hope that you understand that we can easily transform a standard form of equation to a Y-intercept form, or I can easily transform a Y-intercept form to a standard form, vice versa. That's called standard form, and this is Y-intercept form. That was my topic last week, and I have repeated the same topic again for this week. And the reason of repeat was because of the audio issue we have last week. I'm going to give you some of more examples to just explain, and then we will be good for this particular session. So let's do some more examples. Another example is where I'm given a standard form. So from this standard form, I am going to change to Y-intercept form. Standard form given is 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 6. So even if it's not exactly in the same format, with the practice we can see that this is a standard form because I can move 6 here and this could be a standard form. When I move 6 here, I will be writing 5x minus 3y plus 6 is equal to 0. That's a standard form. So they have given us one step further. So I'm going to change this to a Y-intercept form. So first, in Y-intercept form, remember the key part is leave your y on the left side and move everything else on the other side, following all the algebraic rules. If it's dividing, multiply. If it's multiplying, divide. If it's plus, it's minus. Or if it's minus on this side, it will change to the positive side. So I'm going to move 5x. So I'm left with minus 3y is equal to minus 5x minus 6. Now I need to get rid of this minus 3. So I'm going to divide the whole equation by minus 3 so that I can get rid of this minus 3. So minus 3y divided by minus 3, here minus 5 over minus 3 x minus 6 over minus 3. This cancels, so y left with this cancel is equal to 5 by 3 x, and this is positive now. 3 1s are 3 2, and I left with 2. So my Y-intercept format is complete. Exactly this format is here. So in this case, my m is this, and C is 2. I was able to convert a regular standard form to Y-intercept form. So let's do another example, a second example, where I will convert from Y-intercept to a standard form, and then hopefully everybody will be able to understand this. So now let's do a Y-intercept form and then convert it to a standard form. So the Y-intercept form given right now is Y is equal to 1 over 3x minus 2. So I am going to change this Y-intercept form into a standard form. Remember, standard form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That's the standard form. So in this case, I'll just use the regular algebraic rules. I'm going to multiply with this whole equation by 3 so that I can get rid of 3. So that would be 3 into y here, 3 into 1 by 3, sorry, 1 by 3x, and then again 3 into this minus 3 into 2. So I'm left with 3y. That's cancelled. I left with only x, and I left with 6. Now I'm going to move everything on this side, or as I did in the previous question, that to keep x positive so that we have a standard form, it won't make a difference, but just for the sake of keeping a normal standard shape, I'm going to move y on the other side. So I'll say x, y move to this side, become minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. So now you can see ax plus by plus c format is already done. So I have a is 1, b is minus 3, and c is minus 6, and I got my standard form done. So from Y-intercept format, I was able to convert to a standard format. So today's topic was how we can convert a standard form to slope Y-intercept form, or if we are given a Y slope intercept form, how we can convert that to a standard form. The first part you need to keep into your mind is what is a standard form? What is a Y-intercept form? Once you understand that, and then equation is given. So if you know this is a standard form and you are given Y-intercept form, you know you are going to derive the whole setup into this format, become standard form. If you are given a standard form, and if you know what is Y-intercept form, you know how to convert and move everything on the other side and leave only y on the left side, everything on the other side, make sure it's mx plus c format, and then you get a y slope intercept form. So I hope that I was able to explain this very simple interconversion between these two formats of the equation. And if you have any question, do not hesitate, contact me at 416-571-1163, or you can send me a message through messenger, or if you are stuck with any problem, any assignment, you are welcome to take a picture of that assignment or that question. Send me at 416-571-1163 through WhatsApp. I'll be more than happy to assist you in solving those assignments or those questions you have. I know many parents watch these programs. Thank you very much for supporting this. This is free for all mathematics for all who love to learn math. These days, I'm going through grade 9 and 10. I will be able to hopefully, I'm almost in the middle of grade 9 lessons. If somebody is interested in going back and reviewing all the previous lessons, you can scroll back on my Facebook page, and I'm putting numbers on these classes, and you can go back to session 1 and get this book and follow this book with the one by one. And if you follow one lesson a day, you can easily catch up and come along with this whole sessions. Looking forward to see you guys next week. Enjoy this great last few warm weekends, and we will connect to each other again on next Sunday, mathematics free for all. Thanks, and have yourself a wonderful day.